When the mission is critical, your connectivity must be too. That's why we provide coverage resilience options for the emergency services network, including the rapid response vehicles, commonly referred to as RRVs. The RRV is designed for those moments when you need additional coverage or capacity during incidents, major public events, or sudden outages. Typically used for short-term deployments, the RRV delivers temporary coverage or vital extra capacity exactly where it's needed, with setup usually completed within an hour of arrival. With advanced 4G ESN coverage and satellite backhaul for reliable, low-latency connectivity, the RRV delivers the same robust service you expect from the main ESN network, even in the most remote locations. For responders on the ground, there's no need for extra training or any other complicated steps. You simply use your devices as you normally would, whether it's ESN push-to-talk, voice, or data connectivity. Every element is engineered with a future-ready approach and is capable of being upgraded to include 5G when required. You can count on reliable connectivity and know you're supported by a critical tactical layer designed for the mission-critical moments that matter most. Endurance matters. That's why the RRV is equipped with backup generators and solar charging, providing up to 12 hours of continuous operation. It's fully managed and monitored by ESN experts, so you can focus entirely on the job in hand. The RRV is part of a coordinated national resilience capability, supported by a fleet of deployable 4G assets positioned across mainland Britain. When requested by the Home Office, we can deploy these assets within 6 hours. To provide reliable connectivity in even the most challenging environments, the RRV is equipped with a satellite terminal. The satellite equipment can be mounted on the RRV or positioned up to 50 meters away to optimize line of sight. If you want to learn more about how the Rapid Response Vehicle can support your team, talk to us today.